I had no desire whatsoever to follow in her footsteps as far as divorce. No, thank you. But I was intrigued by the property management side of things and how we could best represent landlords, and also running the business. That's my passion. I'm entrepreneurial first. And so I thought that would be an interesting vehicle to try and make it a go. And so over time, it was very clear to me that the future was going to be representing property owners and landlords, and divorce was starting to wane. Not to get too boring, I guess, but the Great Recession, for all the people above the age of 30 who remember that really, interestingly enough, took its toll on divorce practice. And there was a huge housing component that also was a problem, which people don't understand. When the housing market plummeted, that really affected divorce. Not only did you have people who were basically, when they were in the middle of a divorce, their house was their biggest marital asset. And so during the case, at the end of the case, what would happen is the lawyers would kind of take their cut out of the proceeds of the sale, and it was pretty hunky-dory. But when the housing market plummeted, and then you had people, not only could they not sell their homes, they were actually divorced and living under the same roof for like years later. It was really bizarre. It was very clear to me that although, yes, unfortunately, people would still have need for divorce, that was not going to be a sustainable future. And so started just work tirelessly and diligently to try and grow our market share as far as representing property owners. And, it just kind of started from there, and just we kept going.